John Witte, Jr. is Robert W. Woodruff Professor of Law, McDonald Distinguished Professor, and Director of the Center for the Study of Law and Religion at Emory University School of Law in Atlanta, Georgia. He is one of the world's foremost experts on legal history, marriage law, and religious liberty. Witte has published 200 articles, 13 journal symposia, and 26 books. His writings have appeared in 12 languages, and he has lectured and convened conferences throughout North America, Western and Eastern Europe, Japan, Israel, Hong Kong, Australia, and South Africa, with major funding from the Pew Charitable Trusts, Ford Foundation, Lilly Endowment Inc., Henry Luce Foundation, and McDonald Foundation. He has directed 12 major international projects on democracy, human rights, and religious liberty, and on marriage, family, and children. These projects have collectively yielded more than 160 new volumes and 250 public forums around the world. He edits 2 major book series, Studies in Law and Religion, and Religion, Marriage and Family. Quote, "He has been selected 10 times by the Emory Law students as the most outstanding professor and has won dozens of other awards and prizes for his teaching and research. Education." Witte received a BA from Calvin College in 1982 and a JD from Harvard in 1985. While at Harvard he studied under Harold J. Berman. Bibliography. Witte publishes frequently and has authored over 200 articles, 13 journal symposia, and 26 books. He is currently at work on his 27th book. Books: Witte, John, Jr. God's Joust, God's Justice, Law and Religion in the Western Tradition. W.M. Edmonds. CS1 maint. Multiple names. Authors list. The Reformation of Rights, Law, Religion, and Human Rights in Early Modern Calvinism, The Sins of the Fathers, The Law and Theology of Illegitimacy Reconsidered, Religion and Human Rights, An Introduction, Christianity and Human Rights, An Introduction, Religion and the American Constitutional Experiment, 3rd ed. No Establishment of Religion, America's Original Contribution to Religious Liberty. From Sacrament to Contract, Marriage, Religion, and Law in the Western Tradition, 2nd ed. Essays, op-eds, reporting Witte, John, Jr. The Legal Challenges of Religious Polygamy in the USA. Ecclesiastical Law Journal, 11, 72-75. CS1 maint. Multiple names. Authors list. Lift High the Cross. Religion in Public Spaces. The Huffington Post. Retrieved 13 July 2015. CS1 maint. Multiple names. Authors list. The Future of Marriage. Sex may be free but children come with a cost. Keeping the Commandments. Can America still bar polygamy? Lectures. An expert in religious freedom, marriage law, and legal history. Witte lectures widely throughout North America and Europe. He opened Calvin College's celebration of John Calvin's 500th birthday, which can be watched online. For a sample, see below. Don S. Browning Lecture, Sharia in the West, Center for the Study of Law and Religion, Emory University. The Covenant of Marriage, Its Biblical Roots, Historical Influences, and Modern Uses, Fuller Theological Seminary, Pasadena, California. McDonald Lecture, Separation of Church and State, There is No Wall, Center for the Study of Law and Religion, Emory University. Interview with Miroslav Volf at Yale. Personal life. Witte is married to Eliza Ellison, a theologian and trained mediator. They have 2 daughters.